I'm about to share 3 fascinating facts about vultures. Fact number 1. Vultures can fly as high as 37,000 feet, higher than any other bird. Their incredible eyesight allows them to spot food from miles away. Fact number 2. Vultures play a crucial role in the ecosystem by cleaning up carcasses. They help prevent the spread of diseases. Fact number 3. Some vultures can eat bones thanks to their strong stomach acid. Which fact surprised you the most? Or did I just make you appreciate these unique birds a little more? Be honest.